In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Business Profile suspended issues and avoid having your posts rejected in the future. If your Google Business Profile content keeps getting blocked or rejected, one of the most important things to understand is that Google is very strict about what appears inside the post itself. A common mistake is adding contact details directly into the text. That means phone numbers, website links, and email addresses should be removed from the body of the post right away. Even if the information is accurate, placing it in the written text can trigger rejection. Instead, when you want customers to take action, use Google's built-in buttons, such as Call Now or Learn More. These tools are designed for exactly that purpose and are much safer than placing contact information directly into the post copy. This small change alone can prevent a lot of unnecessary issues. It's also important to pay close attention to the image you upload with your post. Use original, high-quality photos whenever possible. Try to avoid blurry images, heavily filtered pictures, watermarks, and stock photos. Google generally prefers authentic visuals that reflect the actual business. If you add text to an image, keep it very minimal. A good rule is to make sure text overlays take up less than 10% of the image. Clean, simple visuals tend to perform better and are less likely to get flagged. Next, look at the wording and formatting of your post. Keep the content factual, clear, and professional. Avoid excessive emojis, repeated phrases, too many special characters, and writing in all capital letters. Poor formatting can make a post look spammy, even when the message itself is fine. Good grammar and natural language help your content appear more trustworthy and compliant. Another thing to watch for is sensitive or restricted content. Posts related to alcohol, gambling, adult material, or political topics are much more likely to be blocked automatically. If your business operates in a category that touches on restricted subjects, be especially careful with wording and imagery. Finally, avoid posting the exact same text and image over and over again. Repetitive posting can trigger Google's spam detection systems. Even if you are promoting something similar, it's better to refresh the wording and use a different image so each post feels unique. So, to recap, go to your business profile in Google Search, review the post content carefully, remove contact details from the post text, use the proper action buttons, choose authentic high-quality images, keep formatting clean, avoid restricted topics, and make every post original. Following these best practices can greatly reduce rejections and help keep your Google business profile in better standing.